Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online class. I am Lakshmi Miss here and today I am going to teach you English subject for class 5th. Children, in the last lecture we have seen the beautiful story The 12 Month. In that story we have seen the story about the 12 month and their questions answer. Did you understand these children? Today we are going to start the next topic, that is the name of new topic or new lesson or unit. The name is announcement. What is the name is announcement. Do you know children what is meant by announcements? Announcement, it means to say loudly or to write it. It is small type of notice. Hmm? We can say that announcement, it means in Marathi you can say the घोषणा करणे. It means you say loudly something that will know the all people. This is important, so keep in mind. Announcement, it means you speak or you say loudly something or something. It means your thought or something is that you are going to do, and that will you speak loudly or you say loudly, and that all people know that thing. That is called the announcement. It means for example children, now here is corona is going on, COVID-19, and do you know announcement, it means however gram panchayat is there, and gram panchayat's vehicles or van, someone came and that announced that don't come out to the home, and stay away from the people, don't make a crowd, wear the mask, wash your hands. Do you know children, announcement, it means it say loudly that the all people should know. म्हणजेच मुलांनो, तुम्हाला माहीत आहे कोरोना महामारीमध्ये फॉर एक्झाम्पल देते तुम्हाला. कोरोना महामारीमध्ये ग्रामपंचायतीची जे व्हेकल्स असते किंवा जी गाडी असते ती काय करते, अनाऊन्समेंट करते, म्हणजे घोषणा करते, घराबाहेर पडू नका, उद्या बाजार बंद राहतील, घरामध्ये मास्क वापरा किंवा बाहेर फिरताना तुम्ही मास्क वापरा, गर्दी करू नका, गर्दीची ठिकाणे टाळा, आवश्यक असेल तेव्हाच घरातून बाहेर पडा, विनाकारण घरातून बाहेर पडू नका, यासारख्या अनाऊन्समेंट काय करत असते, गाडी गल्लीतून देत असते. हे माहीत आहे ना तुम्हाला मुलांना. यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, अनाऊन्समेंट असं म्हटलं जातं. आणि अशाच अनाऊन्समेंट कुठे दिल्या जातात, अशा अनाऊन्समेंट आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये सुद्धा दिल्या जातात ना. काही अनाऊन्समेंट ह्या काय केल्या जातात, ब्लॅकबोर्डवरती किंवा व्हाईट बोर्डवरती काय केल्या जातात, लिहिल्या जातात. म्हणजे अनाऊन्समेंट म्हणजे कशी, नोटीस टाईप मुलांना. टुमारो स्कूल विल हॅव अ हॉलिडे on hope of dash dash dash. This type of notice, do you know that? Okay, that's called announcement. So like that announcement we will see in this lesson. Did you understand children? Before we start the lesson you should know the understand what is meant by the announcement. So I told this in the Marathi. So did you understand? So we'll start it. Look at here children, this is written here the date. On which date? 6 July 2015. It means before 6 years announcements here. So we are going to see this announcement. What written here? It has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. Look at here children. It has been observed by the head boy. Head boy, it means, do you know children, monitor or leader of your class. Head boy or the head girl. Head boy and head girl, it means leader from the girl and leader from the boy. That is called head boy or head girl. What he observed, he has been observed that some classes do not clean up their classrooms. Some classrooms are not clean before students leave that classes. That time the classes are not clean, it's dirty. If it means before leaving the classroom. That times children throwing the papers, or they will eat the chocolates and throwing wrappers here and there. Because of that, class will become dirty, or it becomes untidy. Look at here. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. Look at here, children. What here then given? If any class is found untidy and littered after school, it means if any class will see it is untidy or it is littered after school will over, then if it means if someone saw that the class, it is a very untidy, it means all in the class there are benches are here and there, blackboard is dirty, there become any picture on the blackboard, then table, teachers tables are very scattered books and notebooks here and there. Who did that all things? Students or children's doing that all things. If they eat the Cadbury's and chocolate, then they throw the wrapper here and there in the classroom. Like like this way, all class it becomes untidy, or it become a dirty, too much dirty. So if we saw it, then that class will be detained. It means that class will be hold on the next day. If the class will dirty, then that class will be detained. It means they will stay there when school will over. Then also they will stay there still 1 or 2 hours in the school. It means it is a punishment given to the all children. Did you understand? After school will over, then also children will stay in the school, because it means they will stay only keep and quiet. They will do not do any activity. They didn't do any activity, because this 1 hour they gave a punishment to them, so they will stay only keep and quiet. If they will talk with someone, then teacher immediately punish them. If someone want to someone play in the class, then teacher immediately they will give punish that all children. Did you understand, children? So it is one type of punishment. If someone's class will be dirty, we will find it, then what we will do? We will detain that class on the next day after school hours. Did you understand, children? Please take note of this. It means please pay attention and read this notice and follow this notice. Did you understand, children? So we will see the next announcement. What is given here? Look at here. This is announcement. Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July. Look at here. Tomorrow, that is, it means which date? On the 10th July. It means this is notice of 10th July. What is on the 10th July? We will see. Tomorrow, that is on 10th July, school will close an hour earlier. Look at here. Here is used the article an before the hour. It means here is an, it means a one. Okay, children. An hour earlier. School will close an hour earlier. It means school will close earlier. How much time? 1 hour. Okay, did you understand? 1 hour school will close early, as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. PTA means, do you know, children? PTA means Parents Teacher Association meeting. Who are going to attend this meeting? Teachers. Teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Look at here, children. What is notice given here? Tomorrow, that is on 10th July, school will be closed an hour hour, it means before 1 hour school will close. It means if school's timing, school will close at 3 o'clock, but on 10th July school will close on 2 o'clock. So why it's close on 2 o'clock? Because there is teachers have attended an important meeting. It means parents and teachers meetings are there. So please inform your parents. So I request to all children or all students, so inform your parents, because school will close 1 hour early. So parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. It means parents will come early before 1 hour and pick up to their kids. Did you understand, children? This is one's notice. So we will see another one notice is given here. Look at here. We will see this notice. On Sunday, 12th July 2015, there is a football match between classes 8 and 9th. Do you know, children, this is Roman numbers. Might be in maths you have learned it. Okay, so you don't have any problem for reading. Look at here. On Sunday, 12th July 2015, there is a football match between classes 8th and 9th on the school ground. Look at here, children. On Sunday, 12th July, what is on the school ground? There is a football match between the 8th and 9th students. Where it's going on? It will be going on the school ground. On which day? On Sunday, 12th July. The match will begin at 9 a.m. Look at here, children. Here is a given timing. The match will begin at 9 a.m. at morning. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorite team. Look at here, children. Here all students are invited for this game and cheer their favorite team. Please come on the time so that the players are not distracted. Look at here, children. Here is again what is given, that please come on the time. It means who want to come, that student will come on the time. But here is invitation for the all student. All students are invited to come and give inspiration to their favorite teams or support their favorite teams, and please come on the time so the players are not distracted. Okay, children. On which day notice? This is a notice of Sunday, 12th July 2015. And what is notice here? On Sunday, 12th July 2015, there is football matches between the classes 8 and 9 on the school playground, and this match will begin at 9 o'clock. All students invited for this match because they will cheer up their favorite team and their favorite players. So please come on the time. Did you understand, children? This is announcement. So we will see the next announcement. What is given here? Look at here. The school has organized a storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from 21st to 25th of July. Look at here, children. Here is the school has organized storytelling competition. Which competition? Storytelling competition for the class 5th, 6th and 7th from 21st to the 25th July. Look at here, children. It means this storytelling competition will be going on 4 days. 21st July, 22nd July, 23rd July, 24th July and 25th July. Look at here. For this 5 days, that storytelling competition will be going on the school. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning Look at here, children. The competition will be held in a school hall at 10 in the morning. Children may select. Look at here, children. Which type of story you are going to say there, or you have to tell them. Here is given that which story you can select it. A fable. It means you can select a fable or a folk tale. A folk tales, it means do you know that folk tale stories are there? You can select it. A fairy tales. Fairy tales, it means farikatha. You can select it. A true story, a real story you can tell there, or a funny story. It means those story feels happy to all them. That story, funny stories you can say it. 3 prizes will be given for each category. Look at here, children. Here is on this storytelling competition, 3 prizes will be given for each category. The time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Here is given time limit also. Within a 3 to 5 minutes, you should complete your story. Okay, children? If you choose the fable, or if you choose the folktale, anyone you can choose it, and the time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Look at here, children. If you read the story, you learn the story, then first of all you will get a 15 minutes for telling the story. After that, after you make a practice, then because of practice you can complete the story within a 10 minutes. After that, after some day, 2-3 days, if you did more and more practice, then you will complete that story 7 minutes. And after the next day, if more practice will be done, then you will complete this story 3 to 5 minutes. Did you understand, children? Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana Mohite for other details. Look at here, children. Those students want to participate in this storytelling competition, they will contact with Mrs. Sanjana Mohite. Look at here, children. You should contact the teacher, Mrs. Sanjana Mohite, for the other details. They must register their names with her before the 16th July. Look at here, children. Here is a given date. Before 16th July, you have to register your name if you want to participate in this competition. So you first of all you should register your name, and that name you should register before the 16th of July. Did you understand, children? This is an announcement of the notice of storytelling competition for the classes 5th, 6th and 7th, and this competition will be going on the 21st to the 25th of July. Look at here, children. On the next page, here is given the again one announcement is there, so we will read that announcement. Look at here. Construction work to extend the school building will start next week. Look at here, children. Construction work to extend the buildings, it means school buildings construction works will start on the next week. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site. Look at here. On the construction site, it means school construction, school buildings work here is going on, and here is given a fence. Okay, children. Fence, it means there is a border, there is a given border, so no one will cross this border, no one will go inside of that, because there is so much dangerous, because there is construction will be there, so much big machines will be there for using, and there is so much it means hammer will be there, so much instruments will be there for the working, and if some instrument will fall on you, it will be very dangerous for you. So this is here is given the instruction that no one will go or no one will cross that fence on the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. Please stay away from that fence. So it written in the red ink. Look at here. Please stay away from that fence. It means it will be very dangerous or you may cause the injury. So don't, students, please stay away from that fence. Don't go there on construction site. So here is written notice, but when it's a before 1 week notice, children, because construction work to the extent the school building will start on the next week, and before week this notice is given here. Next notice, look at here. A cycle key with a blue keychain has been found on the ground. Look at here, children. What we found on the ground? We found a cycle key on the ground. Look at here, children. We found the cycle key on the ground. So how it's a blue keychain. What is there? Blue keychain. And whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it belongs to him or her. Look at here. Here is a given notice that one cycle key found on the ground. If someone whoever lost their key, they will be contact with a Mrs. Nina Pinto and take that your key. Here is given the notice for the student. Did you understand, children? Today what we have seen the different type of announcement here. It means first announcement, as you know, we have seen the announcement about the classroom. Second announcement, we have seen that the school will close early because PTA meeting will be there. Third notice or third announcement, we have seen about the football matches between the class 8th and 9th classes. And here is next notice, we have saw that a storytelling competition notice. Then after that we have saw the notice of or announcement of the construction buildings, don't cross that fence. And last one is about the cycle key. So this all announcement is a different type of announcement that used in a school. So children, today we have seen the different type of announcement. Did you understand this announcement? This is very easy announcement, and you should know that all announcement. So children, this is all for today. Read this announcement. We will meet in the next video with a new lesson or with a new topic. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep study. Thank you.